that for us to sustain that Talyang Strait preservation, we need to protect, restore, sustain, and educate. But among the four, what do you think is the aspect that should be given the highest priority?
I think that we should put the highest priority to educate through information drive in the grassroots, especially in schools, in partnership with non-government organizations and school organizations in conducting initiatives in this area, which is SDG 17 in action, partnership with the goal. Because through education, people will be knowledgeable, will know statistical driven data that would back through project-oriented initiatives for the sustainability of the Talyang Strait protected seascapes. May my voice remind us all that environmental protection is not a choice, but a duty we owe to future generations. Daghang salamat ng maayo